what we've really spent time working on and building is a set of relationships with people that bring a particular angle to our Activate design process. For example, heritage architecture, which one wouldn't necessarily think about preserving a building as a performance criteria, but in fact reperforming a building to function in a modern context and going into the future, retain its character from an era which is now only in memory, is automatically a performance criteria that one needs to really consider.
One of the most sustainable uses of a resource is the reuse of that resource. So heritage is obviously encouraging adaptive reuse of old buildings. Your environmental impact is minimal because you're not creating a new build.
Brian brings a passion for Johannesburg inner city and preservation of the cities of our country, the architecture in it and the urban spaces.
Innes Chambers was a really interesting project. It was the refurb of a 1960s modern movement Joburg office block from a building that was designed originally as the offices of the Johannesburg Bar and then became the new National Prosecuting Authority's head office. It was a complete strip back and refurb, but very much respectful of the original architecture of the building. Because the windows are behind a screen, we could actually take all of the original steel windows out of the building and replace those with contemporary flash glazed windows. So you get your high performance quality that you need on the facade of the building, but you also still retain that original heritage facade.
And so those criteria of understanding that building in its context and working with that was an important driving principle for the decisions that we made around what to spend the money on.
It's really nice to kind of see this lovely modernist icon when you drive down President Street and think, yeah, we were part of saving that building.